What's up everybody, welcome to It With Fusco. My name is Keith. Today's video we're going to look at this AMS Lite and how to load filament onto it. So the AMS Lite comes with the A1 Mini and I believe it'll fit other printers as well, but this is actually a spool holder for 4 different filament spools. So we're going to show you how to load them and how to use them. So let's jump over. So here we go, we have the AMS Lite, which is a spool holder here. Now what we need to do is, the way we orient the film is the filament needs to come downwards. So when we put this on the holder, like so, that'll go on. Then this filament needs to go from underneath. So you don't want it from over the top like this, because then it'll feed in and sort of snap it. So you need it to go under, like so. Now this is the part that some people struggle with. So this one here at the back, this is number 4. This one here is number 4. So as you can see here, this is where it needs to go into. So you get the filament and you aim for number 4, goes in like that. As you can see here, there's a little push button that just pushes it. So you put the filament in, push it, and then what it does, it's got an auto feeder, so that'll start feeding that in. And that feeds that through, and then it goes to there. So again, with this one here, this one is number 3. You'll see the numbers on the front here, just like so. So 2, 3. So we're going to put on number 3. So number 4 and number 3. A lot of the stuff that I print out is black, so I'm going to have the 2 blacks on there. So again, when you put it on, the filament needs to come out and up, rather than putting it on this way to turn around. So again, just push that on. That goes on there like that. And then number 3 under here, if you can see, push that button, it feeds it in a bit more, and it'll take it up. As you can see there, it's feeding it through. And that goes up to there, and 3 and 4 are now fed on. So do the same with number 1 and number 2. Normally for number 1 I will put in white, but as I've only got a little bit of black filament left on this, I'm just going to put this one on and use up the rest of this filament. That's got it in, and that's picking that up and spooling through. And last but not least, I'm going to do the blue. So again, this just goes on, and make sure that the filament is coming up towards it. It goes in a little hole in the bottom. It's a bit awkward sometimes to feel it in there, but then you just push it in, and again we'll do an auto feed and it'll go through. But then as these are too big for the AMS Lite, you use a attachment which you can print off. So I need to print one of those first and then get that done. But yeah, that's how you fill up the AMS Lite with your filament, and it connects into here, and then you can print it all off. So hopefully that helped you. If you have any other comments or questions or anything about the AMS Lite or the A1 Mini, let me know in the comments. I'll answer it in the comments or do a video on it. But yeah, until next time, see ya.